Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will discuss black hole. So there are a lot of things are there in our universe about which we are unknown, and black holes are one of them. So we're black holes, and is nothing but a place in a space where the gravitational pull is that much strong that nothing can escape from it, even light can't. Because of these we see it black. Also it bends space-time fabric around it, hence we call it black hole. About black holes, we only know how black holes are created, what is outside of black hole, and also how to detect it, but we don't know what is inside. Practically this is quite impossible to know what is inside the black hole. If we talk about how black holes are created, in general, black holes are created when the matter of big stars get compressed at a small place. Generally, this phenomenon occurs after the supernova explosion. But if I tell you that everything in the universe can create a black hole, yes, this is possible. We know that all objects have some mass. If compress these mass in its Schwarzschild radius, then the object will change into a black hole. By knowing this, a question arises in our mind that what is Schwarzschild radius? It is nothing but the radius in which whatever mass is compressed it becomes a black hole. For example, Schwarzschild radius of the Sun is 3 kilometers. These means if we compress Sun into a sphere of 3 kilometers radius, then the Sun will become a black hole. Like these, only if we want our Earth to be a black hole, then we have to compress our Earth into a sphere of 9 millimeters radius, because the Schwarzschild radius of the Earth is 9 millimeters. But practically we don't have any way to do these process, but star which is bigger than our Sun have large Schwarzschild radius, and when the fuel of these stars finishes itself, they get compressed in all place, and we call these small place as singularity. Its density becomes infinite. Because of this, its gravitational pull becomes very, very strong. We represent singularity by small point. Now, if we talk about the size of black holes. In general, black holes are of different types, but they divided according to their mass and size. The smallest black holes are known as primordial black hole. Scientists believe that these type of black hole were created after a few time of Big Bang. The size of these black holes are about the size of an atom, but their mass is as a mass of a large mountain. In general, the black holes which are more detected are of medium size, and these black holes are known as stellar mass black holes, and mass of these type of black holes are of 20 times of our Sun. Size of some black holes is too massive, and hence they are known as supermassive black holes. And mass of these black holes is as a mass of 10 lakh suns. Scientific evidence tells us in every galaxy there is these type of black hole in the center. Also, there is a black hole in the center of our galaxy which we call Sagittarius, and mass of these black hole is as a mass of 40 suns, and its the diameter is about our Sun. And also black holes emit radiation which is known as Hawking radiation. Now a question arises, what is Hawking radiation? Before we understand what is Hawking radiation, let us start with some basics like what is an event horizon? We know the place in space where the effect of gravity is that much strong that also light cannot reflect back from it. Because of these we can't see them, and these are the only reason we name it as black holes. Do this means that if the light goes near a black hole then also it can't reflect? No, not at all. Also there is a range of gravity of a black hole, or say it is like a boundary which we call the event horizon. Means anything which is outside of the event horizon then it can back, but if the object is inside the event horizon it can't. Is it scary? Isn't it like boo? Anyways, let's concentrate on the event horizon. According to Stephen Hawking, the light rays which goes inside the event horizon and the light rays which is outside of the event horizon never approaches each other. In simple language, the area of the event horizon of a black hole will never decrease, rather it will constant or will increase. Means if and only if a black hole absorbs any new matter then only the area of the event horizon will increase, rather it will be constant. This property of black hole is similar to the second law of thermodynamics, which states the entropy of any isolated system will remain constant or will increase. Means if we combine two systems then the entropy of the new system will increase or will remain same. By understanding this, a question arises in our curious mind that what is entropy? In simple words, entropy means is disorder or less order. If we talk about disorder, let us understand it by an example. Now assume a book which is stitched in order, line page 1, page 2, 3, 4, but if we separate all stitched pages and throw them in the air, then what will happen? The pages will spread in disorder form. So we get the disorder form out of the order form. This is what we call entropy. Let's get back to the black hole, as this property is completely similar. Now we all know that also black holes have entropy. Now a question arises in our mind that if black holes have entropy, then also they should have a temperature, and anybody which have a temperature will emit radiation with a certain rate. For example, if we heat iron rod, then it becomes red and emits radiation. Similarly, body with low temperature also emits radiation, but we cannot see it because the process is on a very small level, and to follow the second law of thermodynamics it is necessary to emit the radiation. Similarly, black holes also emits radiation, but also light can't reflect back from the black hole. Then how it is possible that black holes can emit radiation? But it is true that black holes can emit radiation. But radiation is not emitted from black holes, but it emits from the place near the event horizon. Let's see how. According to the quantum theory, every particle have its antiparticle partner, like proton have antiproton and electron have positron. Now these type of matter is created in the place near the event horizon, as particle and antiparticle have the same mass but have different charge, one negative and one positive. So negatively charge is pulled in the black hole and positively get escape out in the form of radiation, and this radiation is the radiation which we call Hawking radiation. But with these, a question arises in our curious mind that why only negative particle get pull inside. Reason for these is low energy of negative particle. Yes, negative particle consumes very energy and positively charge have sufficient energy, so that why positive ones come out in the form of radiation, which we call Hawking radiation. My friends, if want to know more about black hole, visit my website. Link for the website is given in the description box, and also you can follow on Instagram for intriguing posts. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for updates. So guys, see you in next video. Bye for now, have a good day.